Is your Apple Watch battery draining too fast? This usually happens due to background apps, display settings, or outdated software. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the battery draining issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Remove recent apps history. Press the digital crown button for 2 times. Now slide the recent tab to the left. Tap cross. Solution 2. Optimized battery charging. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Battery. Scroll down a bit. Here you will find the Battery Health option. Scroll down again. Find the Optimized Charge Limit. And then toggle it off. Solution 3. Turn off Background App Refresh. Go to the settings again. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Background App Refresh. Simply toggle it off. That's how you can solve the battery draining issue in your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.